Good morning, students. Today in this video, we are going to learn Chapter 2, The Thief's Story, which was composed by Ruskin Bond. The Thief Story का हम सेकेंड पार्ट देखते हैं. फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमने देखा कि यहाँ पर टू मेन इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर्स है, अनिल और हरी सिंह. हरी सिंह जो नरेटर का रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं वो एक थीफ है, और जब वह अनिल से मिलते हैं तो वो सिर्फ 15 ईयर्स ओल्ड है. और नरेटर ने जल्दी से हरी सिंह जो कि एक थीफ है उसको अपना फ्रेंड बना लिया, अनिल को अपना फ्रेंड बना दिया. और हरी सिंह ने अनिल को बोला कि वो उसके यहाँ काम करना चाहता है. अनिल ने कहा वो उसे पैसे नहीं दे सकता, तो वो अनिल से पूछता गया क्या वो खाना बना सकता है. तो नरेटर ने कहा उसे खाना बनाना आता है, जबकि उसे नहीं आता है. तो अनिल उसको वहाँ अपने यहाँ रख लेता है और उसे वो पढ़ना लिखना भी सिखाता है. और एक दिन जब वो अनिल के पैसे चुरा लेता है तो वो रात को भागने की कोशिश करता है, लेकिन वो वापस आ जाता है क्योंकि वो एक अच्छा इंसान बनना चाहता है और अनिल के ट्रस्ट को नहीं तोड़ना चाहता. आगे की स्टोरी जानने के लिए हम स्टोरी का सेकंड पार्ट देखते हैं. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight struck over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear, unlined. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine was mostly scars. So Anil was asleep. So Hari started his work when Anil was sleeping. तो अनिल जब सो रहा था तब हरी ने अपना काम स्टार्ट किया. And a beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and there was a little bit light over Anil's bed. और थोड़ी सी लाइट अनिल के बेड पर पड़ी because of the moonlight की वजह से. And over the balcony and fell on the bed. And that was coming in from the window से आ रही है. And I sat up on the floor and Hari sat on the floor. Considering situation means thinking about the situation and planned that if I took the money, अगर मैंने ये पैसे लिए, if I took the money, he could leave the city. I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. So he could leave the city by 10:30 p.m. from Lucknow express. वो ये सिटी छोड़कर जा सकता है 10:30 बजे लखनऊ एक्सप्रेस से. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. So Hari then crawling करते हुए आता है towards the bed and slipped his hand slowly inside the bed mattress. और अपने हाथ वो बेड मैट्रेस में डालता है. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine was mostly scars. So he looked at Anil's face. He was sleeping peacefully, even without a single line on his face. उसके फेस पर सिंगल लाइन भी नहीं है. Even Hari face had so many scars, जबकि हरी के फेस पर बहुत सारे scars हैं. And he realized that he was much younger than Anil, कि वो अनिल से छोटा है. And he had such a bad appearances due to his wrong thinking. और उसके फेस पर बैड appearances, उसकी शक्ल बुरी हो गई है क्योंकि उसके गंदे जो बुरे काम हैं उसकी वजह से. So my hand slid under the mattress searching for the notes. और उसने अपने हाथ नीचे रखे अंदर किए मैट्रेस में और सर्चिंग फॉर द नोट सर्च किए. व्हेन आई फाउंड देम, जब मुझे मिले, आई ड्रू देम आउट विदाउट अ साउंड, और मैंने वो बाहर निकाल दिए. हरी टुक आउट द नोट्स विदाउट मेकिंग एन साउंड. सो अनिल साइड एंड स्लिप टर्न ऑन हिज फेस टुवर्ड्स मी. आई वाज स्टार्टल्ड एंड क्विकली क्रॉल्ड आउट ऑफ द रूम. सो अनिल टुक अ ब्रीथ इन अ स्लिप. उसने गहरी सांस ली नींद में. एंड टर्न हिज साइड एंड ही वॉज डायरेक्टली फेसिंग हरी. और डायरेक्टली उसने किसको फेस किया? हरी को फेस किया. And he was directly facing Hari. अनिल ने डायरेक्टली हरी को फेस किया. And which scared him bit. और उसे थोड़ा डर लगा. And Hari quickly left the room. और वो फटाफट रूम से बाहर आ गया. When I was on the road, जब मैं रोड पर था, I began to run. मैंने भागना स्टार्ट किया. I had the notes at my waist because he had kept the notes in his pajama. He was started running. And there, by string of my pajama, I slowed down to walk and counted the notes, 600 rupees and 50. I could live like an old rich Arab for a week or two. So he was thinking that. Then after a while, Hari slowed down and counted the notes. वो धीरे धीरे चलने लगा और उसे स्पीड कम की और उसने काउंट किए अपने नोट्स. और उसने देखा ही हैड 12 नोट्स ऑफ 50 रुपीज़. उसके पास 12 नोट्स है 50 रुपये के, विच मेड इट 600, जो कि टोटल 600 रुपये हुए. देन हरी थॉट to himself that with this much money, he could live a luxurious life, कि वो अच्छी सी luxurious life जी सकता है, like ना अरेबियन शेख, एक अरेबियन शेख की तरह, for at least 2 weeks, for a week or 2, 1 या 2 weeks तक वो आराम से रह सकता है. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life, but dashed straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed. I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. I hesitated. For some reason I can't explain, I lost the chance to get away. So when I reached the station, जब वो स्टेशन पे पहुँचा, हरी स्टेशन पे पहुँचा, and I didn't stop at the ticket office. And he didn't stop at the ticket office. वो ticket office नहीं रुका. And he straight away went to the platform. Platform पे गया. And he had never bought a ticket in life because he had never bought a ticket. उसने अब तक अपनी लाइफ में कभी टिकट नहीं खरीदा है. And but dashed straight to the platform and he moving straight forward towards the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out, and the Lucknow Express in which he had to go was just leaving the platform. वो platform छोड़ रही थी. The train had still to pick up speed. ट्रेन अपनी स्पीड ले नहीं पा रही थी. I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, and the train was still slow as he could have easily jumped. वो easily jump कर सकता था और उसे पकड़ सकता था, and got on one of the carriages और चढ़ सकता था. But he did not so. लेकिन उसने ऐसा नहीं किया. But I hesitated. उसे हिचकिचाहट हुई. For some reason I can't explain. कुछ रीजन है जिसे वो एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकता है. There was a bit hesitation in him, and he cannot explain it. I lost the chance to get away. Even he lost the chance. उसने चांस खो दिया. Because after some time, when the train had left, Hari found himself all alone the empty platform. Now, Hari thought that even he did not understand why he had left the train. Even he had a hesitation inside him. Because of that, he could not board the train. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help, and I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. The only reason I knew really well was that the man I had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. So, when the train had gone, जब ट्रेन जा रही थी, the train had gone, वहाँ से जा चुकी है प्लेटफॉर्म से, I found myself, and what Hari found himself, that he found himself all alone at the empty platform, कि वो प्लेटफॉर्म पर अकेला ही खड़ा है. Hari did not know where would he spend the night. Even he had no idea कि अपनी नाइट कहाँ पे स्पेंड करे. I had no friends, कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं है. Believing that friends were more trouble than help, and Hari believed that कि फ्रेंड्स वर मोर ऑफ अ ट्रबल, फ्रेंड्स ट्रबल क्रिएट करते हैं देन बीइंग हेल्पफुल, हेल्प करने के बदला. इवन and I did not want to make any curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. Even he did not even want to stay at any of the hotels as he would attract the attention. वो किसी होटल में भी नहीं रुक सकता, इस वजह से सब लोगों की अटेंशन उसके ऊपर आ जाएगी. And he knew only one person. The only person I knew really was the man I had robbed. और सिर्फ मैं जिस इंसान को जानता हूँ उसी को मैंने लूटा है. Leaving the station, स्टेशन से जाते हुए I walked slowly through the bazaar. वो दोबारा से बाजार की तरफ गया. Hari was walking through the bazaar after leaving the station. And in my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces. When they had lost their goods, the greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance. But I knew that on his face, when he discovered the theft, would show only a touch of sadness, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. So, in his life, Hari was when he was walking through the bazaar, in his life, in his short career span, he had realized, although उसे ये realize हो गया है, from the rich to poor shows different reaction. Rich और poor के different reaction होते हैं to losing their goods, जब वो अपना सामान वो खो देते हैं. The greedy man showed fear. जो greedy man है वो fear दिखाता है, उसे बहुत डर होता है. The rich man show anger. और rich man अपना गुस्सा दिखाता है अगर जब उसका सामान खो जाता है. And the poor man showed acceptance. And the poor personality, the poor people show acceptance. वो उसको accept कर लेते हैं that he had been robbed. But I knew that Anil face. But he know the Anil face. He know the different. He would only be a person little sad. वो दुखी होगा. Because he trust a person. He had lost a trust. क्योंकि उसने अपना विश्वास खोया. When he discovered the theft, जब उसको पता चलेगा चोरी हो गई, would show only a touch of sadness. तो उससे शायद बहुत दुख होगा. Not for the loss of money, पैसों का खोने का नहीं, but for the loss of trust. But ये इसका कि उसने विश्वास खो दिया. He would be sad because he thought that he trusted someone so much and the person had betrayed him. और उस person ने मुझे धोखा दे दिया. I found myself in the मैदान and sat down on a bench. मैंने खुद को पाया एक मैदान में और मैं बैठ गया एक बेंच पर. The night was chilly and the atmosphere was so chilly क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड थी. The night was a bit chilly and it was a November time. It was a month of November and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. And light drizzle mean light rain added to his discomfort. और वो बहुत ज़्यादा uncomfortable feel कर रहा था. Soon it was raining quite heavily और soon it was started raining quite heavily और तेज बारिश होने लग गई. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin and a cold wind blew through the rain across my face. And Hari's shirts and pajamas stuck to his body when started raining heavily. So now cold wind started blowing across the Hari's face. और बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी हवा चल रही है और उसके फेस पर वो बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी हवा को फील कर रहा है. I went back to the bazaar, sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes, they were damp from the rain. So then Hari went back towards the bazaar. दोबारा बाजार की तरफ गया. Sat down in the shelter. Shelter में बैठ गया. He sat under the shelter of the clock tower. Clock tower के shelter में. The shelter of the clock tower to escape getting wet ताकि वो बारिश में न गीला हो सके. The clock showed midnight and the clock showed the time of midnight. Midnight you can say it was at 12 o'clock by the clock tower. And I felt for the notes and Hari checked notes. They were damp and from the rain because they were wet. Anil's money in the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar or learn to write whole sentences anymore. So Anil's money, if he had stolen it, अगर उसने चोरी कर ली है, Anil would have surely given him 2 or 3 rupees to go away to the bazaar. वो 2 या 3 रुपये से देता था to go to the cinema. But now I had it all. लेकिन अब उसके पास आ रहा है because he had stolen it. I couldn't cook his meal. ना तो मुझे उसको खाली खाना बनाना पड़ेगा. Run to the bazaar, न ही बाजार जाना पड़ेगा. और learn to write whole sentences anymore. और न ही उसे sentences learn करने पड़ेंगे. So now he won't be able to make tea or do groceries for Anil anymore. Now he would not be able to learn write whole sentences ever. So I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentences I knew could only one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be really big man, a clever, respected man was something else. I should go back to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. So now he won't be able to make tea or groceries for him. So now in the excitement, he had not realized, उसको realize भी नहीं हुआ excitement में or in the theft that he would be losing all this excitement कि वो सब कुछ खो रहा है of stealing the money when he stole. He knew that he could learn the whole sentences अगर वो सीख जाता है. If he could learn to write and read, he could earn more money than this few hundred rupees. वो 100 रुपीज़ से ज़्यादा पैसा कमा सकता है अगर वो सीख गया लिखना पढ़ना. It was a simple matter to steal and you know that it was very simple to steal something. चोरी करना बहुत आसान है. Sometimes just as simple to be caught. Even sometimes it was the easy way to get caught as well. पकड़ाई में आ भी जाते हैं बहुत सी बार वो लोग. He knew that, but to be really a big man, a clever, respected man, अगर एक clever और respect earn करने के लिए, he could surely become a respected man, a big man, if he learn how to write, how to read. So I should go back to Anil. मुझे अनिल के पास दोबारा जाना ही चाहिए. I told myself if I only to read and write, then और मुझे if only to learn to read और मुझे सीखना चाहिए. If he wanted to learn, Hari told himself that he should go back. If he wanted to learn, अगर उसे लिखना सीखना है तो उसे वापस जाना चाहिएगा. If he wanted to be a big man, अगर उसे एक बड़ा इंसान बनना है एक दिन, तो उसको ये काम करने के लिए उसे पढ़ना सीखना पड़ेगा. He hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. And Hari went back to Anil's room. Hari उसके रूम में वापस गया. And he was feeling very nervous. उसे nervous feel हो रहा because he knew that it was very much difficult to return the stolen money. क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा difficult है चोरी किया हुआ पैसा वापस लौटाना without being caught that actually stealing, कि उसने वो चोरी किया है. I opened the door quietly. उसने silently door खोला. Then stood in the doorway. In clouded moonlight, Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute, then my hand found the edge of mattress, slipped under it with the notes. So now Hari went near the head of the bed and took out the notes. So he thought that Anil he was sleeping. Anil abhi bhi so raha hai. And he was going near the mattress. His hand could feel Anil's breath और उसका हाथ अनिल की breath को अभी भी feel कर रहा है. And Hari became still for a moment, found the edge of the mattress, finally sipped the notes under it और उसके वो अंदर notes रख देता है. And I woke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tree. Or next morning Hari woke up a little late. Anil had already made the tree. उसने ट्री भी बना ली. And he stretched out his hand towards him and he offered him. Anil extended his hand towards Hari and there was a 50 note between his finger. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. So he had given me a 50 rupee note in his hand. So Hari thought he had been caught. शायद उसको पता चल गया कि मैंने चोरी की है. And then suddenly Anil explained that he had some money the day before he had earned. So I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. अब आपको regularly payment मिलेगी क्योंकि last time मैंने थोड़ा पैसा कमाया था. Today we will start writing sentences. So my spirit rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. When I took out the note in his hand, I saw that it's still wet. ये अभी भी गीला है from the last night. And he took the note in his hand and he realized this. He also told Hari that the day he would teach him how to write complete sentences, कि वो सिखाएगा कि किस तरीके से complete sentences लिखे जाते हैं. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. But Hari realized that Anil had come to know all this thing, that he had stolen money, but kept it back. But the great thing happened that he didn't let it show on his face. लेकिन उसने अपने face पर और eyes में ये चीज़ें show नहीं की और his words, अपने words में भी उसने मुझे नहीं बताया. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil's in most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without an effort. So Hari realized that Anil had come to know. Anil को पता चल गया that he had stolen money and kept it back. But the great thing happened that even he didn't let it know. उसने बताया नहीं. Show on his face, nor through his eyes, through his words. नहीं उसने बताया. So again Hari smiled at Anil in a most appealing way, in a more attractive way. And Anil's smile also came back to his face without any effort. और दोनों एक दूसरे की तरफ मुस्कुराए.